welcome back to my YouTube channel with me, Dina Panjaitan from Indonesia. Yes, you see this food calls Tempe Mendoan, and this is really recommended for you to become snack for your children and for you of course. And I will tell you what are the ingredients to make this one. As you can see on this video, I already write down, but I will explain step by step how to make this Tempe Mendoan. And these are the ingredients that we need to make Tempe Mendoan, and that one is the tempeh. And I think you will be easy to find this all these ingredients at Asian store, okay? If you are live in Europe, America, Australia, you can more easy find all these ingredients at Asian store. Alright guys, I'm going to tell you. Oh yeah, I forgot. Actually, I don't have the right measure about all of the ingredients. I just put them all together, and just use my feeling. Sometimes in cooking you have to use your feeling. Okay, what I'm saying. Alright, here I'm needing the ingredients: shallot, garlic, turmeric, pepper, and then also I put the coriander here. I'm kneading them all, but not really soft. Just the texture not really soft. You can see from this video how is the texture. Yeah, how is the texture? Just like this, okay? And then I put them in the bowl, and after that I put green onion inside, and I put what is it called, baking soda. Actually those are same, those are baking soda, okay? And then I put the cornstarch. As you can see, I don't have measure here, the right measure. And then I put flour. I put them all. Maybe this is about 200 grams, I think, or 150 grams. Yeah, I think so. And then, why I take so long? What is the next, guys? And then I put the rice flour here. 1, 2, and yeah, here I kind of doubt 3, yeah, and that's all. Then I mix them, and of course I put water and salt, and if you want you can put also flavoring food, okay? And then I put water inside, then I mix them together, and I'll show you how is the texture that perfect for this Tempe Mendoan, okay? And here it is, guys. This is the consistency of the dough that we wanted to make Tempe Mendoan, okay? It's very easy. And next step is we slice the tempeh, and you can see how is the size we slice the tempeh from this video. Yeah, you can see that on this video. Yay! And this is the last step, guys. The last step is we are frying the tempe mendoan until it's golden brown. And you do that until all the dough, all the tempeh is finished. And ta-da! This is how is it look, guys. Don't you think it's look yummy? And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. And see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye. And don't forget it, try at your home. Okay?